If your home uses a septic system rather than the public sewer system, it is very important that you maintain it properly. It must be cleaned regularly, and you must take care about what sorts of substances you allow into the system. Imbalances can cause many problems. A septic system is a sensitive, closed waste disposal system, and it is best to engage qualified residential or commercial septic services in Tampa, FL or wherever you live to help you keep it operating properly. Additionally, there are a number of tips and tricks you can learn to help keep your system working at its very best. In this article we will discuss some of these along with the importance of engaging a good service to help you with septic tank maintenance. Read on to learn more. First of all, you should be very careful about what goes into your septic system. Remember, it is a natural system that works by breaking down waste. For this reason, you should not put non-biodegradable items and substances, e.g. sanitary napkins, tampons, harsh chemicals, pesticides, grease, petroleum products, etc., into the system. Dispose of these items properly. Only allow biodegradable substances to enter the system. It is very important to make use of skilled, professional septic services company to help you keep your tank operating properly. You should set up a schedule of regular maintenance to have your tank inspected and pumped periodically. Regular maintenance will help you divert dreadful and unpleasant disaster. You should also inspect your septic tank area yourself from time to time. Watch out for sunken areas and depressions in soil above the tank. Be on the lookout for water pooling over or around the tank. Naturally, you should be on the alert for the smell of sewage. Any of these symptoms may indicate a leak in the tank, which must be attended by a professional right away. Another thing you can do as a part of regular maintenance is to make use of septic tank enzymes. These are very inexpensive and can be purchased in most large stores for a few dollars. Follow directions to add a measure of these natural enzymes to your tank by flushing them down the toilet or washing them down the drain once a month or so. The enzymes help break down waste more efficiently and keep the biological levels of your tank healthy. In addition to good, regular maintenance, you must be absolutely certain to engage the company to come in and thoroughly scrub and clean your tank at least once a year. This should be done more often if you have a very large household. Taking good care of your septic system will help it operate efficiently for many years. Good septic tank maintenance protects you, your family and the general public from health hazards that result from septic tank breakdown.